going to show you guys how I have our new Lighthouse Kids Company Camel Artist Bag all packed up for errands with my toddler. So we'll start with the outside. In this bottle pocket, which is insulated, I have a 16-ounce swell for myself. Glides in and out really nice.
I got this. I got this.
You got that. On the other side, I have a water cup for Emma. Just a little straw cup. And then there's a pocket on the back that I don't have anything in right now, but definitely space to add more. And then the front, we've got two pockets. In this top one, I just have my sunglasses. Don't leave home without those in sunny Florida. I have my cell phone, of course. And then in this bottom one, got my car keys, essential, and a little wallet. So that's it for those two front pockets. They've got the pretty late bloom lining. And then we'll go ahead and move on to the inside of the bag. Okay, inside, you can see I've got it pretty packed up, but there's still room for more.
Mommy, help.
Life with toddlers. Okay, so back to the inside of the bag. So we've got two pockets on this front side. In the first one, I have a small LKC wet bag. This is Golden Bee. And in here, I just have like some little potty training essentials, little potty seat wipes, just for using public restrooms. And then in the other pocket, I have another small LKC wet bag for dirty diapers on the go. And then I've got a LKC change pad. This is an Opal Hive with some disposable wipes in there. In the middle of the bag, I've got two LKC diapers, Honeycomb and Forest, for changes on the go. In the back, I have probably the most important thing, my Late Bloom small wet bag with snacks. Because if your kids are like mine, they get hangry, so I always have snacks. And then I have one more thing in here. There's side pockets. See them? On both sides of the bag. So I have a little apron in here, just in case we stop and get a little snack on the go or out to lunch or something like that, so she doesn't get it all over herself. And so that's it. You can see the inside. Pulled everything out, plenty of room to put more items in there. And that's how I pack my LKC artist bag for some errands with my toddler.